Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to today's video. As you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a $20 makeup challenge. And yes, that includes a full face of makeup for $20. And let me tell you what, that was a challenge. Okay, so without a further ado, we're going to jump right into the video and you will see how I get a full face for 20 bucks. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so you guys might be thinking to yourself, well, it's, $20 can buy a lot. All you have to do is go on those websites where makeup is like $1 each for like foundation and concealer. But I think like the actual point of this challenge is getting decent makeup. Actually going to the store and trying to find decent makeup that you could wear over and over again. Not luxury. I mean, let's face it, even luxury and clearance you're never going to get for under 20 bucks. But I mean, like actually getting decent brand makeup. And it was a freaking challenge because I took my 2-year-old daughter with me and she was not having it. And that was another challenge in and of itself because I'm gonna admit right now, I could have done a lot better. So I'm kind of disappointed in myself, but whatever. So I'm gonna talk you through exactly how much I spent, what I did, where I got it from, the whole 9 yards. I went to 2 stores today. I went to Ulta and I went to Target. I mean, I'm gonna get real with you guys now. You have to shop around. You really could do a full face for 20 bucks. There are so many stores that hold sales, like Ulta, Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens. I mean, there's so many places that you can go. They always have coupons. They always have buy one, get ones. So you really have to kind of do your research if you're really on a budget, but you can do it. It is possible. In the appropriate time, place, setting, I probably could have done a lot better, but let's face it, I ain't got time for that. My world is just chaos and I did the best that I could. So I will go through everything. So let's start. Unfortunately, there will be no primer. So the reason why is because, I mean, primer's kind of new if you think about it. It's really only become really popular in the past few years. I know when I was in high school, I never wore primer, and I wear because I honestly do think like it adds a little bit more moisture and provides a little bit more, like it locks in my makeup. So I do like it, but a lot of people don't even use it. So if you are able to skip out on the primer, skip out on it. If you absolutely need it, then include it in your budget. Simple as that. So I'm actually gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution, and this is the Fast Base Stick Foundation, okay? Actually, let me scoot you guys in a little bit closer. So this costs $9. Now I'm going to be using this as my foundation and also my concealer because this is full coverage. So if you want that extremely highlighted look, you ain't gonna get it. And I don't like that, so I thought this might work well. Now, at Ulta, I did have a coupon for $3.50 off. So this, in reality, did not cost $9. I used my coupon, baby. So, okay, what we're gonna do is we're just going to, I hope this is my color. I used a spray tan, and we're gonna hope that, this is the same color as my skin. With my coupon, this was actually like, what is it, $7.40. So that's for a concealer and a foundation, all in one. All right, guys, so this is an extremely dewy foundation. I mean, look at this. Whew, that is very, very dewy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more under my eyes and really get in there. If I could figure out how to work my sponge. All right, guys, so I mean, I'm covered. Okay, so next is powder. So this is kind of where I screwed up. I walked out of Ulta and I was like, oh, freaking ball sack, I forgot setting powder. So I had to go to Target anyway, because I had, of course, you have to go to Target every day of your life. And I was like, let me go to the makeup aisle. And they were having a 25% discount on, they were having a 25% discount on Wet n Wild products. So the Wet n Wild, you can't even see it, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Press Powder. Now at Target this cost $4.69, but with the 25% off, and that was with my Cartwheel app, it was around $3.50. So that ain't too bad. So what I'm gonna do is actually, you know, I've used this before and I actually think it's a really good powder. So I'm gonna take that and I'm going to just put my beauty blender and set my under eye with this powder. Okay, so I'm putting this all over my face just with the beauty blender, just kind of patting that in. And as you can see, works like a charm. So with just 2 products, I got my face done, including my foundation, my concealer, my eye primer, and my powder. Not bad if I do say so myself. And all that cost around 10 bucks. Okay, so for the face, which includes contour, bronzer, blush, highlighter, I picked up this nifty little Makeup Revolution. This is a blush kit. Now, the description did say blush slash contour, and if you open it up, you can see that it's mostly blush, but there are some browns, cool tone browns, I think I can pass off as a little bit of contouring. The thing is, if you're on a budget, you really need to make your makeup multi-use. That means using eyeshadows maybe as bronzers and, you know, vice versa. So like you can really multi-use these, you know, so I'm going to use these as an eyeshadow as well. This palette was originally $7 and I got it for $3.50. $3.50 because it was half off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm going to take that as my contour. Alright guys, it seems to be working. I mean, I think it added a little bit. It's not too pigmented, but I mean, it added a little bit of dimension. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into these 2 colors right here, mix them together. I'm going to use them as my blush. So, whew. Alright, well, these have a lot of pigment. I gotta diffuse them a little bit. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. I actually really do like that. Okay, so for the shimmers, I am going to go in with this one here. This one is a little bit look at that. That's purple. That's actually really nice. So you can definitely wear that as an eyeshadow. I mean, that's popping. All right. So we're going to take this one and we're going to lightly put that on our cheekbones. Alright guys, so that's not too bad. That's not too bad. What we're going to do is we're going to actually do the eyeballs. I'm going to do my eyeballs. So I'm going to go in again to that same contour palette. I'm going to use these 2 colors right here. And these are going to be, I'm just going to mix them. Let's face it, they're kind of the same color, so I'm just going to mix them. And that's going to be my transition shade. Brush hair. Now I'm going to go in with this pink color right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease, but kind of keep it a little bit low. This might ruin it, but I don't know. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm going to do a low cut crease. I'm going to take that foundation and just any flat synthetic brush. And we're going to put that on top of our E. All right, now I'm going to dig into this color right here. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna put that right on my lid. I know it looks strange, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take an M433 and I'm going to diffuse those harsh lines. Let's see, we're gonna go into this color right here, and on my finger I'm just going to take it and put it in my inner corner. Ooh, that's a snazzy color. Not bad, not bad. I don't really do red looks, but we're getting together. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with those first two transition shades and bring it around. Bring it around town. We're almost done. We're not quite done. Now, I also got this $1.99 Essence. They have these little pans of eyeshadows. This is number 1 Go Goldie. So this pan doesn't have a highlighting shade, but I thought, oh my god, this could be great, and it's only $2. Ooh, you know what? This could also be used as a highlighter, a cheek highlighter. I hope this shows up. Let's try. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I did forget mascara. However, I'm gonna do a little bit cheating here. I got a free mascara when I bought a palette with Too Faced, the Better Than Sex mascara. That's free. That doesn't count towards the $20. And hey, samples count, don't they? I mean, I'm just gonna pretend that they do. I also got, what did I get? I have such a brain block. An eyebrow pencil. This costs $1.99. This is also by Essence. And let's see. With the discount, it was $1.63. So I've never used this before, but we'll see how it works. Maybe I'll just warm it up on the back of my hand. Okay. This was actually quite, really, Nicole? Oh good. And last but not least is the lips. So I did get a lip gloss by, of course, Essence. Essence has really good makeup and it's not that expensive. So I got the Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss in Decola. What the heck color is this? What the heck? Happiness. I'm a gloss girl, so this is perfect for me. And this costs $2.99, and then with the coupon, it costs $2.86. Let's kind of wrap up. Right. So in the end, my total was at Ulta, after tax, it was $17.07. That was for the Revolution palette. That was for the single eyeshadow. That was for the Makeup Revolution stick, the eyebrow pencil, and the lip gloss. All that before tax was $15.96. After tax, it was $7.07. At Target, it was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. That was $4.69, but with my discount of 25% on Cartwheel, it was around $3.50 before tax. After tax, it was around $3.70. So all in all, I spent like maybe close to $21 with tax. Alright guys, so that's it. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, was it ideal? No. Could I have done better? Yeah, I could have done better. Yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys want me to do more of these. Please subscribe to our channel. You can find us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. That's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.